I missed the main one. Really not my day with DJI equipment today. I bought a new controller for my... What I have just completed is something a little different. I headed off into an incredibly remote part of Western Australia for my isolation fix. The last time I actually did one of these was in 2019, pre-COVID. So this was something I've been looking forward to for a while. But this time, although I was solo, I did actually have a traveling companion. You. So what I did is I just let the camera roll, and I spoke about making content, some of my camera equipment, some of the challenges of solo travel. And as I kind of expected, on my trip, I did suffer from what I like to call benign insanity. Every morning, without fail, talk about, the important things of life. You never know when it's really going to strike, and when it does strike, it kind of, after it's happened, you realize it's happened. And I think that happened on about day 3. Each episode is cut up into daily episodes. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Morning. Not all of overlanding is sunshine and rainbows. It's called benign insanity. What happens when you're totally alone and like you get nobody to tell you to stop being stupid. I was away for 7 days, but those days were the most interesting days. And some of them actually run quite long. I think day 4 is the show's over an hour long. Anyway, I basically bracketed sunrise to sunset. I missed the sunrise yesterday, so I'm making up for it now. And I think what you'll find now is something that is quite different to anything that I've ever done before. If you are a Patreon, welcome to the show. Download all of these shows, obviously for free. And if you are considering purchasing the series right now, of course, know that your modest amount that I'm charging for this series goes towards supporting more shows like these. Thank you for watching and enjoy the show.